Good morning students, welcome to the video session. In this video we are going to solve the question number 15, the first figure of exercise 14. So I have written the question and I have drawn the figure. So here the question says that in the given figure two lines L and M are cut by a transversal T. Find whether L is parallel to M. We need to find. Okay. So here you can see they are given as L, this line L and this line M, and this is the transversal T cutting. And one of the angle here is 40 degree and here is 130 degree. Now we have to prove or we have to state that L is parallel to M. So how to prove? What we can do is, if we can prove that the sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree, then the lines L and M are parallel. Co-interior angles means if we prove that this angle and this angle, the sum of these two angles are 180 degree, then the L and M are parallel. Okay. So how can we prove this one? So here I am taking this angle as 1. This angle I am taking as 2, and this here I am taking as 3, and this one I am taking as 4. The angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So now we need to find, first we will try to find the angle to measure. Okay. So here what we will see that this T is a transversal, is a straight line coming, and this ray, that is M, is on this line T. So this angle 1 and angle 2, they are forming a linear pair, and the sum of the angles of a linear pair is 180 degree. That means when we add angle 1, angle 2, we should get 180 degree. One of the angle is given to us. If we subtract from 180, the angle that is given, we will get the measure of the other angle. So here, first we will write angle 2. So here we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Reason is what? Linear pair. Okay. Now angle 1 measure is already given to us, so we can write here 130 degree is 130 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to what? 180 degree minus 130 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 50 degree. So we got the measure of angle 2 as 50 degree. Here. Okay. In the same way, we can find the measure of angle 3. So again we are taking T as a straight line, and this L line is standing on this. So they are again forming a linear pair. So again we can use the same method and find the measure of angle 3. So here also angle 3 plus angle 4, we will get 180 degree. So we will write here angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Again you can write the reason, linear pair. Okay. So angle 4 is already given to us. Angle 3 is we are not known. So we will write angle 3 plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 140 degree. So we got the measure angle 4, angle 3 is equal to 140 degree. Now as I have told you, 2 and 3 are forming co-interior angles and the sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. Now we have already found the measures of 2 and 3. When we add these two numbers or two angles and if we get 180 degree, then we will say that L is parallel to M. And if we are not getting that, then we will say that it is not parallel. So here what we need to do? We need to store that. So here I am doing. So now we can write here angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Reason why we will write co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Now we know the values of 2 and 3. So angle 2 is 50 degree plus angle 3 is 140 degree. I should get how much? 180 degree. But when we add 50 and 140, we will get 190 degree. 140 plus 50, that is equal to 190 degree, equal to 180 degree. So it is not equal, both are not equal, so I have cut that equal to sign. So 190 is not equal to 180 degree. So here you can see when we found the co-interior angles, we are not getting equal. So what shall we write now? We will write that angle is L. L is not parallel to M. Yeah, L is not parallel to M. If we would have got this same is 180 is equal to 180, then we would have written that L is parallel to M. But here we are getting different answers. One side I am getting 190, other side I am getting 180. So they are not equal. So we have to say that L is not parallel to M. So you write here parallel sign and then put a cross like this. So it will be read as not parallel. Okay. So this is how you can solve the question number 15. So I have solved one question out of the 3 questions given in the book. So in the same way, other questions also you can try to solve. Just you have to remember that you have to prove these 2 angles, that is co-interior angles. You have to prove in each figure that their sum is 180 degree. If you are getting exactly 180 degree, the measure, then you will say that L is parallel to M. And if you are not getting 180 degree, as in our case in the first figure we have not got, so we will say that it is not parallel, or L is not parallel to M. In each of the figure, try to prove these 2 angles, that is co-interior angles. So I hope you understood this thing. You watch this video, try to understand and try to solve the other 2 questions that are given in the exercise. Thank you.